In this video, we will learn how to add insurance and how insurance claims work in WinkSell. To add insurance, click on the Add Insurance in the menu item. Click the Add Insurance button. Select a branch for which you want to add an insurance company. Then the insurance company name with its status. Click on the Add button to save this insurance company against the selected branch. You can edit or delete the insurance company by clicking these icons. Let's move to the insurance claims interface that indicates how much an insurance company owes us. You can also filter the data by selecting the values from the top drop-down filters. The interface also indicates the sale invoice date, sale invoice number, customer name for that sale invoice, the insurance company, and insurance number alongside the amount. At the bottom, the grand total indicates how much the insurance company owes us. That's all about adding insurance companies and getting insights into insurance claims. And to learn about other interfaces, please watch our other videos.